Hello guys, so in this video tutorial we are going to learn how we can add bullet points in Canva design and Canva Docs. So let me start with the video. At the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. This is a design and this is a docs, Canva Docs. So first I will show you how you can add the text bullet point in Canva design. Go to the text, add your text box. Here you need to add your text like this. Okay, now you can drag or place the where you want. Now select the text or text box and go to this bullet point list. Once click it, the bullet point will become. Now again you click, it will be convert in numbers bullet point, and again if you click it, it will be remove. Okay, so keep whatever you want. Okay, I just keep this bullet point. Now simply keep the cursor at the end of the text and hit the enter. Now bullet point will be continue like this. Okay, after text you have to just hit the enter. You can change the elements. Okay, so first you have to select all text, hit the Ctrl plus A, or you can simply select like this, change the elements like this. Okay, now the text box has been complete. You can drag it. Same as go to the Google Canva Docs. Here write your text, select that text, like this. Click on this list, bullet list. Same, when you click double, the bullet list will be convert. Bullet will be converted in number bullet. Again you click, it will be converted in square. So here we have the three options: numbers, so normal bullet points, number bullet points, and the squared bullet points. And again you click it, it will be removed. Okay, same as you have to hit the enter and write your list like this. Here also you can change the alignments. Select that text and change the alignments whatever you want. Okay, and if you want to insert the bullet point as a text box, okay, go to the plus sign. Here you have to type design, select that design. Now it will be send us to the design pop-up window. So simply go to the text, add the text box here, write your text whatever, increase the size whatever you want, just keep the right place. Now hit the bullet points. Now complete your list. Now select all, Ctrl plus A, or simply select like this from mouse button and change the alignments. Okay, now save and close. Now this is your bullet points. Okay, you can edit it again if you want. If you it will be edited again. You can change the size. Okay, of these bullet points, keep the in middle. Okay, save and close. So okay, you can't move it because it is the fixed bullet points. You can expand in the full or original size, say it as a banner, whatever you can do it. Okay, okay, so you need to, what you can do, just keep the cursor where you want this text box. Okay, keep the cursor where you want this. Now you can go to the design and complete your text box and insert it. Okay, so it will be insert on the place where you have cursor. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.